Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming where photos might already be stored: Google Photos, iCloud, or another cloud service. Once done, sign into the relevant account from a browser or another device and look for recent sync timestamps so you know what's recoverable. If you haven't, contact your carrier to report the loss and preserve the line using the IMEI. This prevents swapping and may help remote recovery. Make sure you have account credentials or recovery email/phone ready before proceeding to downloads. Now you move into the detailed retrieval. You'll need two-factor codes or recovery codes to sign in. Use your recovery email or phone to obtain them. Once in, check shared albums and the recently deleted folder. Photos can linger there for 30 days or more. Download full-resolution originals rather than previews. Select all and choose Download or Export. If cloud recovery fails, use any secondary devices that had the account signed in. Make sure the connection is secure and avoid public Wi-Fi while transferring files. Finish by consolidating everything in two places: an external drive and a second cloud account for redundancy. You should spot-check images to confirm full resolution and check metadata for dates and locations. Organize into folders and note what's missing so you can request recoveries from providers if needed. Finally, update account recovery options and enable automatic backups on any new device. If you encounter missing files, first check the provider's trash or recovery window. If still gone,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.